Hi folks, it's Maya. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I wanted to say thank you to all my existing subscribers who have subscribed, and thank you for your likes and comments. And I want to share that I'm now on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers. So any new subscribers will be so appreciated. Thank you. So in this box here, I've got some goodies from Zara. So I wanted to share it with you. It's mainly a few accessories, and yeah, you get to see my live reactions. So I've been going through kind of like this style transformation journey thing where like I feel like inside of me has changed, and then now I need my exterior to catch up. So I've been experimenting with a lot more styles and stuff, and it's all part of the process, and some things work and some things don't, and it's all in good fun really. So I plan to, I guess, share some more style related videos related to my personal style journey. Hopefully I'll be making some videos about creating different outfits, new outfits with new stuff, and kind of getting my creativity on. So stay tuned for more of that. Okay. Yeah. Every time I get a parcel from Zara, it's always a bit different. Okay, ready? So this is how it comes packaged, which is nice shiny silver dot. There we go. Okay. So there's some things I saw in store, but sometimes it's like really busy, and then I wanted to check out and buy a few other things, so I just ordered a few things I have seen and a few things I haven't seen online. I mean in store. So I have seen this in person, and I was like, oh, how does it fit in the box? And it like bended it a bit. Okay, so it's the right size, and as you can see, it's a straw hat. It is, what is it made of? 100% something. Straw. Yep, 100% straw. And then there's some embellishments. So you see that there's like it's a knot, not a bow. And then this is secured down. And then there's this mesh, which you can cover your face with. See? So I like this kind of mesh dangling down. I have a hat that has this effect as well, and I don't know, like I kind of like things that like kind of have that lace effect, and you can like, there's a shield, but then you can also see through it. So it is a bit fancy but also casual because of straw. So this will be nice for spring, summer. And I have a few straw hats that are kind of round here, but I thought it's time for more structure. So I got like a kind of a more, I don't know, this is not a, like square top. You know what I mean? So then there's the mesh that comes down, and then the bow at the back. Hopefully you can see that. Have a look at it this way so I can see it too. So there's a tag in there. So that's what it looks like at the back. And then you can bring the mesh up so it's out, so it's not covering your face as well. So you can have it like this. It is, let's see, it is, oh, is it? No. It's not, okay, so it's not secured at the bottom. You can have it like all the way up. So that'll be fun. I think I'm getting into hats a little bit more these days. Something about wanting to be taller, or when I'm not wearing heels as much. And then something to decorate my head. And I don't think, like I permed my hair last year, but now it's kind of like dropped out. And I don't want to perm it again because I don't want to damage my hair. But I want to do, you know, have interestingness on the top of my head without kind of going to the fuss of styling it too much. Okay, there's a few other accessories. There's one top. Let's see. Wow, it's come in this dust bag. I'm pleasantly surprised. Okay, so this is a Phoenix bangle, and I'm feeling like I'm in the process of like being a phoenix rising from the ashes, so it's a bit symbolic for me. So there's a finish. It is oh, am I gonna break it? Yeah, okay, let's do it. Let's do this together. I'm gonna break the packaging. That means I'm keeping it. Okay. Scissors. Just cutting a wire. Hopefully this will be nice. Yeah. See, I'm gonna get into accessories a bit more to make my outfits more interesting. Wow, how do I take this? Okay. No, I need to cut it all up. It's like so secured. Yeah, this is not going back. Okay, pretty cool. And it does go well with my skin tone. Let's see. I'm not sure which, I don't know which arm I should go on. Wow, it's quite, one wing is really long. Let's try on the other arm. And then there's the back side. And then there's a hinge here. Oh, watch. Okay. Well, it kind of nestles well here, but then the thing is upside down. So the other side. Okay, this kind of works. No, it doesn't. Wow, not sure how I'm going to wear this. It will have to be near the wrist because it can't bend out much more. It is kind of cool, kind of like ancient Greek kind of feel. I like it. I cut up the thing. I don't know if I don't think I can return it, but I don't know how I'm going to wear this yet. It'll be interesting, or it'll just be ornamental. I do like buying arty fashion things that I just enjoy looking at and maybe not wearing so much. Although I need to reduce that kind of consumption also. Things that are beautiful and functional. Okay, next accessory is also in another dust bag, which is nice. And it is a brooch. And the effect is like a butterfly. And I saw this in store already. Oh, it's kind of big. So there's little black jewel things, and then the texture is like a sort of crumpled metallic, but it's all shiny. How's this? Oh, I don't know which side it's going to sit on. Wow, I don't know how I'm going to wear this too. This is all new, guys. It's all, I'm going through an experimental phase, but I won't take this out. So it's just literally just, what is it? Yeah, it's just a pin, like a safety clip pin. But yeah, it's a butterfly. Hey, transformation! Once again, transformational butterfly, rising of the phoenix. Okay, so this will be interesting. So I'm going to return one of these, and it is it's two belts. So one is a silver finish and one is a gold finish, and I want to buy them both because I haven't seen this in store and I wanted to see if either see which one works the best, and I'll return the other one. So it is leather, and it's just like a leather cord, and then you wrap it around twice. So I'll wear it. I'm gonna take it out. I don't know if I can try it on with it still on the tag, because there's like some zip ties in there. And then, will I like the gold? So there's gold. Let's test this out. Wow, this is Unco. Okay, so I'm gonna put it through here. So the ends look like this. Oh, no time to put it through my belt loops. Okay. Just pulling it across. So you loop it around twice and tie it. And I saw this similar kind of belt on a jacket they had, but the jacket wasn't right. And I kind of just wanted the belt. So that's how it looks. Oh, I don't know if it'll actually sit well. I think I was planning to wear this more with like coats or something. Yeah. Oh, it doesn't drape. It doesn't fully drape because it's thick. And I can't see the bloody middle part. Okay, let's try and slide it off. Okay. Alright, it's gonna work. So I have been vibing gold more than silver. I find silver looks more casual and gold looks just a bit more elevated. Okay, just slide this all the way to the back. Okay, let's pretend the paper's not there. What do you think? I'm not sure this belt works at all. I return both. The belt I saw on the other jacket didn't have metal parts. So I'm like, So I'm considering the style first before I consider the metal colour. I don't think I'll be getting silver. Just comparing the colours. Like, this is very subdued for my liking right now. Yeah, I don't think I'll be getting silver. So that's decided. And then do I want to keep this belt? What do you think? So just tie it once, it sticks out like this. Tie it twice. Like that. Yeah, I don't think this works. I think it's too thick. So it's like, it has too much structure. Just gonna do this back. Yeah, this looks weird. Nope. Both belts are going back to the Zara store. Oh, that's a shame. How do I get out of this now? Oh. In one way, out the other way. Okay. So, not getting this one. And then, what else have we got? All right, last item is a cape. Haven't seen this in person, so let's just try it on. Well, okay, I didn't expect this. So it is literally a giant rectangle. It's got some slits on the long ends, and there's a hole in the middle. Yeah, let's see how this is. I could have made this myself. if I had known what it looked like. Okay, so alright, so it's like a boat neck. Looking at myself in the mirror. It's kind of cool actually. So your arm would go through the slit here. And I think there was a black one and maybe another color as well. Hey, this is kind of fun. It's unexpected. The back. The back. So it rises up a bit at the back. Hey, this is fun. I actually like drapey stuff. That's why I wore a lot of dresses, and now even when I get pants, I'm getting wide leg because when you move, there's movement and like flexibility and drapeness in it. And I guess it's a bit more feminine vibe. So I'm just looking at myself in the mirror as well. So I like the neckline. Put my necklace over. And then it's like I have wings. This color works with my skin tone. And I like the drape here. So I like the front. So I can wear this over a dress. This works too because these colors kind of blend together. Yeah. So if I wear like a singlet, I can wear this over, or like thin strapped dress. And then I think I saw Zara have the weirdest modeling on their website. It's weird and cool at the same time. So you can do other things. So I guess you could wear like this. This feel, do this. So you can maybe tie it up. Let's play around with it. You can belt it. Imagine you can belt it in. I feel like this direction is a bit mature. I like things a bit more diagonal and dynamic. So probably not like this. I think I just like it kind of with the classic design to act as a cape. So you can, I guess, leave your arms out and have this draping. It's nice. And then if you cut off all the tags, you can just use it as like a chiffon scarf. Excuse me. I think I like this. Just need to do a quality check because there's, yes, make sure the edging is nice. And then, I have a lot of pink. So this is kind of my signature color, which I'm like trying to add some more color and pattern and variation to what I'm doing, to what I'm wearing. Experimenting with colors, kind of like breaking out and incorporating colors that aren't just super vibrant so much anymore. So I'm like, this or the black one. I'm wearing less black these days. It'll be nice because it has a sheer effect, but in general it might be a bit boring. So I probably will keep this. Let me know your thoughts on what I bought. It's a few things. Hopefully you had fun and you get inspired to, get dressed up and mix things up for yourself as well. Like the video if you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.